Morning everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this gorgeous Saint Laurent Cassandre WOC, so wallet on chain. And I really love this one, it's got a super kind of like sophisticated shape. The chain on this one is really nice. You can kind of tell just by holding it, it's quite like weighted, it's really nice quality. The closure is, got to see this envelope flap closure with the YSL badge on the front. I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside we've got two main compartments, and then you can see at the front and the back we've got, just open that up to show you, one flat pocket there with the 10 card slots, and the same on the back, flat pocket with 10 card slots. And then in the middle, just open up and show you, got that one zipped central section as well. And the fabric on this one is really nice. It's leather in this really nice blushy pinky colour. It's quilted leather, and you can see if I just hold it up to the camera, it's got this nice kind of pebbly, grainy, embossed effect on it as well, which is really nice. So for the condition of this one, we've called the exterior very good. There's barely anything to say about it. If I just show you on the front, I'm not sure if you can see it just there. It's a tiny little mark. Corners as well are in still pretty good condition, but if I just put it right up to the camera and see if it'll focus, you can see there's just a little bit of discoloration, a tiny bit, but other than that, the exterior is still very good. The interior we've called good. Again, if you just look at it like that, it still looks pretty good. On this flap here, still looks nice, but just on these sides here, you can see there's just a bit of wearing on either side, just a tiny bit along the corners and along these lines as well. But other than that, still looks great. The hardware, again, we've called good. There's just along this chain, and I don't know if it will show up on the camera, although it does still look very nice. There is just a little bit of scratching here and there, and on the badge as well. Again, not sure if it will show up on the camera, but tiny kind of hairline scratches. But I still think it looks really lovely. For the exact size of this Cassandre WOC, make sure you go to the link in the description. Hopefully it should take you directly to this bag. If it does, that means it's still available. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry, it does mean it has sold, but if you love this bag, don't forget you can get on our request list, which you do by just sending us over an email, filling out the contact form, letting us know you like this bag, and we can get you on our request list, and that applies to any bag that you fancy as well. While you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel so you can get an alert every time we bring out a new video with a beautiful new bag. So, as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4". If I just pop this on, you can see this is really beautiful. Just wearing it as a crossbody like this, and it kind of sits just on my hip there. So, this Saint Laurent also comes with a few little bits as well. So it comes with the Saint Laurent box. You can see there, opens up, you can pop it inside. It makes it quite a nice gift as well if you wanted to get it for a gift for someone. It comes with a box as well. We've got the dust bag, and inside we also had the Saint Laurent envelope with the Saint Laurent card in there as well. So for more details on the bag, as I said, go to the website, the link will be in the description below. Also on our website you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. Sign up to that newsletter and we will send you through your welcome discount code. So that should go straight to your email. If it doesn't, check your junk or your spam folder and hopefully it will be in there. But get your discount code before you make your first purchase. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you've got any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, you'll find all the details you need to know about selling on there. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.